Welcome to our channel, where today we're introducing the versatile Baby Bedside Bassinet by Nujett, a 3-in-1 solution designed to make parenting a breeze. This innovative bassinet offers 3 modes. Use it as a standalone bassinet for convenient middle-of-the-night feedings. Drop one side to transform it into a bedside sleeper for easy nighttime care, or flip the casters to create a soothing rocking bassinet. With tool-free assembly, you can set it up or fold it down in just 10 minutes, making it perfect for travel or quick storage. Constructed from a sturdy wood aluminum alloy material, it ensures comfort and safety, featuring a safety lock on the open side and a removable mosquito net to protect your baby during sleep. The large under-storage basket offers ample space for all your baby essentials, while the soft, airy mattress with a 3D fleece technique ensures a peaceful night's sleep. With 6 adjustable height levels and breathable mesh sides, this bassinet adapts to any bed height, allowing both parents and baby to enjoy restful nights with peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.